morning, love.
Good morning.
We got coffee. We got lots of different vegetables and
Stir-fried vegetables and beef
curry, some yogurt. I can't have any of your coffee.
No. You're a different person when you have too much caffeine. No more for you.
I only had two.
Look. This is for me. No.
Okay, so who's getting married?
Jeff Bezos. He's marrying Lauren Sanchez, and they're getting married in Venice.
Venice. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and we're going to be in Venice. We're arriving on July 3rd, I think.
Yeah.
So when's the wedding?
I'm not sure. Let's see. The wedding.
So let's see if we can crush the party. I like Jeff.
That's a great spot to get married.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, where is it going? It's going to the bar. Oh my gosh, that is so huge. What a I said it had to.
It just started pouring. Oh my. We have the pool. Everybody doing the red tops. Packing it up. So what have we done? Got a lot done today. You book. Okay, tomorrow we're flying to Dubai. And we booked a hotel. And 2 days later we're going to fly to Marco Polo Airport in Venice. And we just booked a place over there. I forgot what it's called, but we'll have it in the next video. And then from there we're going to take the train or the bus. I haven't booked that one.
Your phone is getting hot.
And we're going to stay in Trieste, Italy. And we just booked a place right there, a charming place. A one-bedroom apartment in the city center, in an old building. And we'll check out how that goes. And there, we're going to take the boat. And we have booked that already. We need to check into that one. Okay, more to come. Interesting. We're packing everything up. It's really hot. Well, we were going to go off the property, but we have to wait a little bit. Hey, Birdie, you found something?